Hello everyone, welcome to Abipravi. In the last video, we just saw about the what is function and how to pass arguments in the function and how to return values in the function. And this video, we're going to see about the pattern printing using the functions. Okay. So for that, we just define the function called def pattern. And what I just going to do is we just going to pass arguments. So the number of lines of number of rows that we want to print it. So like that, we just giving us n and in it for sorry we are assuming that like m is equal to 1 for I in range of so for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, okay, n plus 1, or we just give n, okay, so that's not going to matter. And for m, so for j in range of 1 comma m, okay, just giving m, and here, okay, here I just give n. After that, what I just coming to the out and we just printing the value of like a star. Okay, last video we just printed how to print hash symbol, and this video we just printing the star. Okay, after that we just I am increasing the value. Okay, we just increasing the value by 1 and sorry print of empty line. Okay, so if we come to call about this line, we to the pattern of 4. If we just call this function, wait a second, so there are true error. Okay, what is the problem? We just notify the problem. Okay, okay, when we pause 4 here, 1 and 1 2 3, like okay, okay, you can able to see. So from here, wait a second, and I just copy all this. Like from here, you can able to see that I comma n plus 1. Giving a I comma n plus 1. What this line will do? So from I, this 1 comma, now the n value is 4. Okay, so n value is a 4. So the value of n will be so from 1, 2, 3, it will be stopped. Okay, so I already told that the this value from n minus 1, okay, the value will be 3. The loop will execute from 1 to 3. So for that we are giving n plus 1. So if you give n plus 1, you can able to get up to 4. After that, what we just doing is 1 comma m plus 1. So the value is m. Okay, so we just uh, deserted the columns. Okay, so there will be 4 columns will be accessed in your code. Okay, so now so 4 rows will be accessed, and we just the time to access each columns. Okay, so these columns, so the 1 comma, okay, 1 comma 1 now column will be printed, so it will be empty. After, so for that is giving the m plus 1, so 1 comma 2, there will be 1 column. Okay, after that what we do, after one incrementation it will be the 2 column. After the incrementation there will be the third column. After the incrementation there will be the fourth column. After this will become false and the loop will be executed. So let us see how this will be incremented. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, now come to this problem. We are able to see that the m value is 1. Okay, let us assuming, so m, okay, m is equal to 1. After that, for I in range of 1 comma 1 plus 1, okay, n comma n plus 1, so we just assuming n is equal to 4, and for the each iteration print range 1 comma n plus 1. So now the value is 1, and to print 1, star. Okay, instead of star, let us print 0. Okay, it will print 1 0. After that, this loop will be executed and it will go to here. Okay, after that, it becomes to here and the value of m will be 2 and the value of m will be 2 and go to this range. After that, you will come to the inner loop and the loop will be executed from 3 up to 1 comma 2 comma 3. After that, what it will do, it will print the two variables. Okay, sorry, it will print the two variables. After that, the value of m will be the 3 and it will print 1 and 2 and 3. It will print up to 3. After that, what it will do, it will print the 3 pattern. After that, what it will do, it will increase the value by 1 2 3 and 4. After that, 1 2 3 and up to 4 will be executed successfully. Okay, now you can able to understand that. So this is the pattern printing algorithm which we are now using. In the next video we are going to see about the lists and dictionaries. There are two important variables, sorry, lists and tuples. These are the two important topics which we are going to discuss about in the next topic. So please watch this series continuously without any change of skipping. Thank you, friends.